Hi there! Welcome back to DJ Anna Ras Hugot. Another day, another explore. So tonight pala, we will watch a PBA game, specifically San Miguel Beerman, as you all know. Hi! But anyways, no, gaina pag unta ko muadto 5 p.m. ni una na akong kauban. And ako, ipasundo na lang kog balik and almost 6:30 p.m. na and mag-start ilahang game is 7:30. This is the fit check you never asked for, but I will share it anyway. This is my outfit today. So the pants is from TikTok shop. And yeah, ganito lang, simple lang. I'm so excited and I can't wait to share it with you guys. How it looks there. This is our first time to watch, but I know I'll enjoy it. See you there! And let's go. Let's watch the San Miguel Bearman game today. I'm so excited! Hi there. Punta na tayo sa Inari Center. Tapos ngayon, naiwan ko yung mic ko. So, bear with my voice. Yeah, hindi ako pwedeng hindi manood ngayon kasi I have other appointment tomorrow and the other day. So, magiging busy na ako after this. And okay lang naman na my first game kasi, tapos second game sila. And okay lang naman na hindi ako makapanood ng first game. Kasi wala naman din akong gustong panoorin, kundi yung San Miguel Beerman lang. So, yeah, let's go and see you there.
CJ Perez from Pinagawaan, Cebu, at center number 50, Chihuahua Hardo, at forward number 25, Vicky Bora.
22. Oh, 22 po. Ayun o, letter B. Yung may
And drinking the beer ready today on Game of Crystals are Peter Rano, Charlie Chicago, James Price, and Stefano Savoy. This game is under the supervision and regulation.
That's my baby, she's iconic. iPhone case,